Tony sees a truck so sweet, made of chocolate from top to feet. Wheels are candy bright with her candy eye, shine her candy bright. Wheels are candy bright in the light, shining in the light. What a tasty treat. He climbs inside with happy cheer. Chocolate world is now so near. Steering wheel of fun, shining like the sun. No more trace of fear. Truck begins to slowly roll. Candy journey is the goal. Everything feels right. Joy will take control. Chocolate river shining brown. Truck goes up and down the town. Tony smiles wide, happiness inside. Fun is all around. Candy boxes in the back. Tony keeps them in a stack. Delivery complete, complete. Such a tasty feat, nothing they can lack. Chocolate rain begins to fall. Tony loves it most of all. Drops of sweet surprise falling from the skies. Magic stands so tall. Energy powers makes it fast. Chocolate power built to light. Touching candy sky, joy that always lasts. Tony waves with happy hand, driving through this candy land. Friends also low as the sweets still flow. Everything is grand. Everything is grand. Ride is almost at the end. Memories so bright in the glowing light. Fun that will not bend. Chocolate truck now stops and stands. Tony smiles and understands.